A smooth drive is a better drive, and Rancho's steering stabilizer can help reduce wheel shimmy, bump steer, and vibration. Designed for lifted Jeeps and trucks with big old wheels and tires, this stabilizer will give you a much better driving experience. It will help reduce that wobble and shake that all Jeeps are known for. It works simply by making it better. What more do you need to know? The steering stabilizer is built to take on the trail. It has a 14mm hardened chrome piston rod that is made to resist scuff and corrosion. They have an integrated dirt wiper to help keep moisture, dirt, and debris from getting in the shock and contaminating the oil. And the gas-filled Monotube design is filled with an all-weather fluid that can handle extreme temperatures. Internally, it can continue working in temperatures from -40°F to 240°F. Those numbers would freeze water and boil it. These things are tough. And they look awesome. The black satin finish that sports the Rancho red is sure to stand out amongst the crowd. If you are interested in the steering stabilizer by Rancho or looking to have one installed, check out the store locator on screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep on exploring and have a blast out there.